In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can stop people from reusing your content on Instagram. You can simply stop other accounts from reusing your reels, videos and photos on Instagram in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines right here and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, scroll down into the section of how others can interact with you. Select sharing and remixes. You will then scroll down into the section of what people can reuse. There are three options as you can see right here. You can either allow reuse of any of the three options or disable reuse of everything. When disabled, people won't be able to reuse your reels, videos or photos from your account. They won't also remix any of your Instagram content, and if done illegally, Instagram will notify you that someone has used your content. You can either directly talk to them to put down what they have posted or report them to Instagram. When reported, Instagram takes down their posts under the law of copyright. That's how easy it is to stop people from reusing your content on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.